Hi everyone, we're back here again this week to talk about remote data logging on your DM32. This is something that we just released. So on your DM32 gauge, you can be connected to the internet, whether if it's through Wi-Fi using the Wi-Fi join feature, or if it's directly wired in using an Ethernet cable. No matter where you are in the world, you can record data on your DM32 and read it on our portal from anywhere. The first thing you want to do is update the firmware on your DM32. So you'll download our DM32 configurator from our website, plug your gauge in with USB, and then follow the prompts. Just make sure you don't unplug your gauge while it's downloading that new firmware, otherwise you could render it useless. Once you have the new firmware downloaded, go back into the configurator under Wi-Fi join, put in whatever internet connection that you're going to use. So if you're going to use a hotspot off of one of your mobile devices, whether it's a tablet or a phone, put those credentials in. That way your gauge can go ahead and reflect whatever data is collecting to the internet so that you can access it. Once you've done that, you can access our portal. You can find it on our website. Enter in your serial number for your gauge. The portal will find it and you'll see a graph displayed recording whatever data that it's collecting from both channels. You can collect data for any amount of time. It's endless. Once you're in the portal, you can customize whatever time frame that you want to look at. You can take screenshots. You can access it from a phone, a tablet, or a PC. You can customize the range of time that you want to look at for both channels. If you're on a PC, you can take your mouse and hover over any part of the graph to see exactly what pressure was recorded when. We see this as a very useful tool for long-term logging. So if you want to see what's happening in a building overnight or for a 24-hour period, as long as your gauge is connected to the internet and it has power, it'll be able to log any of that data for any amount of time. You can also do this for zonal pressure diagnostics. You can walk around the house, test different rooms at different scenarios, and have that record, take a screenshot. No matter what kind of device you're on, whether it's a phone, a tablet, or a PC, you can download the CXV file of data, create your own graph, or display it however you like. We're curious to see how you're going to use this feature. We see it useful in a variety of scenarios, but keep in contact with us. We'd love to see what you're doing with it, and we're excited to see how you're going to implement this in the field. Thank you all for watching this episode of Technical Tuesdays, and we'll see you back here next week.